In this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to check your credit balance and when your Napkin AI free credits will reset. I'll start by navigating to the top right corner of the dashboard where I click on the three dots to open the main menu. From the drop-down list, I select Account Settings to view my current plan details. Once the Account Settings window appears, I make sure I am on the Subscription tab. Towards the bottom, I find the AI Credits section, which shows that I have 500 credits remaining. Right above the progress bar, the system states that my weekly credits will refill on May 11, 2026. To get a better understanding of the different plan limits, let's see a detailed article explaining how credits work. As I scroll down to the Credit Allowances section, I can see that the free plan provides 500 credits every week. It's helpful to remember that while free users get weekly refreshes, those on paid plans receive their credits on a monthly cycle. Understanding this refresh schedule helps me manage my projects more effectively. And there you have it, that's the complete process of checking when your Napkin AI free credits reset.